Hello guys, welcome to Beginner to Pro of this tutorial aptitude for placement. Today we are going to learn boat and stream. So let's see some of the basic concepts of boat and stream problems which are coming in the aptitude exams. So let's start. First of all, we are going to see two terms. What does mean by downstream and what is upstream? Downstream. Coming to the downstream. Downstream means when a river is there, river or any stream of water is there, who is moving in a direction, and a boat or a person or anything, any object moving along the direction of the stream is called as downstream. But when a boat or man, any object moving opposite to the direction of the stream, then such type of condition is called as upstream. So, in opposite direction, this is for in same direction as the stream. So let's see some of the formulas of upstream and downstream. So first of all, let's see, we have discussed the relative velocity concept in the previous video. If you are new to this video, just go and take some of the basic concept of relative velocity which are discussed in the topic problem on train. So let's see, what is if a person moving in a speed, person's speed is u meter per second, let it be, and the velocity of the stream, that is the flow at which rate the stream, the river is flowing, is let it as b meter per second. So if the person moving along the stream, it is called downstream, the relative velocity in downstream will be u plus b meter per second. This is for downstream. So if we consider about if the person moving in the opposite direction of the stream, that is upstream, then the relative speed will be u is the speed for the man, v is the speed of the stream. So the relative velocity for upstream will be u minus b meter per second. This is for upstream. So coming to next concept, in boat and stream problem, we can see sometimes question ask about the boat speed in still water and the rate of the stream by giving the downstream and upstream speed. So we know that downstream equal to u plus b. Here u is the speed of boat or man and v is the speed of stream. Similarly, upstream is u minus b. We in the question we have upstream and downstream. How we can calculate upstream and downstream? Speed of boat and speed of boat or speed of stream separately. So if we have a look, Then if we sum upstream and downstream, let downstream plus upstream, then what will we get? U plus V plus U minus V. If we simplify them, then what we have? We have 2U. If we multiply this with half, then we will get U. What is the U? U is the speed of boat man. So, in simple, we can say that speed of boat of man is half or into downstream speed plus upstream speed. So, this is one formula to get the speed of man or boat or any object which is moving in a stream. If we know the downstream and upstream speed, then you can calculate the speed of that object or man or boat. Come to the next concept. If we have given downstream that is, let it be A, and upstream velocity that is B. We have A and B. We have to calculate the speed of the stream. Then what we can do? We have to derive the formula. Don't remember this formula, just derive that formula, then you have no need to remember those things. You can just analyze those things, the formula will be come out simply. We have downstream and upstream. We have to find it, the stream of the speed of the stream. So we can let V as the speed of the stream, then we can write it as, just subtract downstream from upstream. Let it be A minus B. Here we have taken the downstream as A, upstream as B. Then we can also write it as U plus B whole into minus whole into U minus B. Then we can also write it as U plus B minus U plus B. U cancel out. Then we have 2V. If you multiply half with it, then we can get the V. V is what? We have taken V as the speed of the stream. So in simple, we can write it as rate of stream equal to half whole into A minus B, where A is the downstream speed and B is the upstream speed. So let's see some of the examples on boat and stream. The question says, in 1 hour the boat goes 11 kilometers along the stream. Along the stream means it's the downstream, and 5 kilometers against the stream. That means it's 5 kilometers is the upstream. The speed of the boat in still water. It asks about the still water. So downstream speed is 11 kilometer per hour. Upstream speed is 5 kilometer per hour, and it asks about the speed of boat. We know that speed of the boat is half plus downstream speed plus upstream speed. That means half whole into 11 plus 5. That is equal to half into 16. 8 kilometer per hour. So 8 kilometer per hour is the speed of the boat in still water. Still water means the normal speed of the boat. So coming to the next question, the question says a boat running at downstream covers a distance of 16 kilometers in 2 hours. While for covering the same distance upstream, it takes 4 hours. It asks about the speed of the boat in still water. That means normal speed of the boat. We have downstream. It goes 16 kilometers in 2 hours. So in 1 hour it will go 8 kilometer per hour. So the downstream speed, we have the downstream speed that is 8 kilometer per hour. It goes 16, in a rate of 16 kilometer per hour. So we have the speed 8 kilometer per hour in 2 hours. Then we can use the simple formula, that is speed is equal to distance by time. Here we can get the distance, that is speed into time, that is equal to 8 into 2, that is 16. The speed and the distance is 16 kilometer. We have the distance and we have also the duration of the upstream. So from there we can calculate the speed of the upstream. So speed of upstream is equal to total distance by time, that is 4, that is equal to also 4 kilometer per hour. So we have our upstream speed and we also have our downstream speed. From there we can calculate the speed of the boat. We know the formula. So speed of boat is equal to half into downstream speed, that is 8 km per hour, plus upstream speed, that is equal to 4 km per hour, that is half into 12, that is equal to 6 km per hour. So the speed of the boat in still water is 6 km per hour. So coming to the next question, question says a boatman goes 2 kilometers against the current stream in 1 hour. That means against means upstream. Upstream speed is given as 2 kilometers per hour. So and says and goes 1 kilometer along the current in 10 minutes. So it says about the downstream. It says the boatman goes 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. So in 60 minutes it will go 6 kilometers. So we have our downstream rate. Downstream speed is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. We have our upstream, we have our downstream speed. From there we can calculate the speed of the boat. So speed of boat is equal to half whole into 2 plus 6. That is equal to half into 8. That is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. We get the speed of the boat in still water. Now question asks, how long will it take to go 5 kilometers in stationary water? We have the speed, we have the distance. From there we can also calculate the time. The formula is speed is equal to distance by time. From here we can calculate time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 5 kilometers. Our speed is 4 kilometer per hour, kilometer per cuts, then 5 by 4 hour, that is equal to 1 is to 1 by 4 hour. We can say that 1 hour 1 by 4 of 60 minutes, that is 15 minutes. 15 minutes. This is the required answer. So coming to the next question. Question says a boat running upstream takes 8 hours 48 minutes to cover a certain distance, while it takes 4 hours to cover the same distance running downstream. What is the ratio between the speed and the speed of the boat and the stream? Let the distance is x kilometer. We have the upstream takes 8 hours 48 minutes to cover certain distance. So 8 hour 48 minutes. So it can be written as 8 is to 48 by 60 hour. That is equal to 8 is to 4 by 5. That is can be written as 8 5 is 40 plus 44 by 5 hour. So we have taken the distance as x and we have the time. So we can find the speed. Speed will be upstream. Upstream speed will be upstream speed will be x by 44 by 5, that is in the form of distance by time, that is can be written as 5x by 44 kilometer per hour. This is our upstream speed. Similarly, downstream speed will be it takes 8 hours to cover the distance. We have taken the distance as x kilometers. Downstream will be x by 4. We have the question asks about the ratio between boat and stream. How we can calculate that? We know the formula. That the speed of the boat is half plus half equal into upstream speed into upstream speed plus downstream speed, and for stream speed we can calculate that is half equal into downstream speed minus upstream speed. Now we have to calculate the speed of boat, that is speed of boat equal to half equal into 5x by 44 plus x by 4. If we solve this, we can write it as 44 whole into 5x plus 11x, that is equal to half whole into 16x by 44, that is equal to 8x by 44. We got our speed of boat. Similarly, speed of stream will be half whole into 5 x, that is downstream speed, minus upstream speed, that is 5x by 44, that is equal to half whole into 11x minus 5x by 44. So here we can get that half whole into 6x by 44, that is equal to 3x by 44. We have our speed of stream and speed of boat. We have to find the ratios of that. So ratio will be 8x by 44 whole divided by 3x by 44 cancel out, 8 x and x cancel out, we get our ratio 8 is to 3. So this is the required ratio or answer.